Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lala. So today I'm going to show you guys how I go from basic to baddie, and I'm also going to let you guys in on this bomb ass wig that I'm wearing. So stay tuned and enjoy. Okay, so we're going to start with the brows. So I'm just drawing a line under my eyebrow, and then I'm just dragging that out and creating the tail. Then I'm gonna fill in my brows, and that's it. Guys, also remember that this part does not have to be perfect. It's okay if your eyebrows look a little bit crazy at first, because you're gonna go in and clean them up with concealer. Okay, so I'm using my Maybelline concealer to achieve a more defined shape for my eyebrows, and I'm just going to put that under my brows and above it, and I'm just going to blend it all out. Now for foundation. So the foundation that I'm using is my Tarte Face Stay foundation, and I'm just going to apply that with my blending sponge. And I really like this foundation because I don't need a lot and it's full coverage, so that's perfect for this look. Okay, so now that we have foundation out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and conceal and highlight under my eyes, my nose bridge, and my chin area, and then I'm gonna blend that out with the same blending sponge that I used to apply my foundation. Guys, if you don't look this crazy when you're doing your makeup, then that means that you're not doing it right. I'm just kidding. Okay, so to bring back color into my face, I'm gonna go ahead and contour. Contour my cheeks, I'm contouring my nose and my forehead. To blend this all out, I'm gonna use my contour brush from Morphe. I forgot the name of this brush, but I'll definitely list it in the description box. So guys, it's very important to remember that when you're blending your contour, you want to make sure to move your brush in an upward motion so that you won't lose the height of your cheekbones and your face won't end up looking muddy. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and set my concealer. I'm using my Makeup Revolution translucent powder, and as you guys know, this step is major key in having your makeup look flawless and making sure that everything is in place and nothing is like creasing. While that is set in, I'm just gonna go ahead and go over the areas where I applied my contour, and I'm gonna set it with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. So this is where the magic happens. I'm just removing the excess setting powder, and I'm also pressing it into my skin just to create that flawless look, and so that my my concealer doesn't crease. Okay, so now that my face is flawless, I'm just adding a few extra steps. Right now, I'm just highlighting my brow bone just to make my eyebrows pop a little bit. Because if you notice, I didn't use any eyeshadow at all. This look, I just wanted some wings and that's it. No eyeshadow was added. And guys, if you're interested in the lashes that I'm wearing, it's a pair of lashes that I do sell from my lash collection. And you could order these by DMing me on Instagram at Pretty Bad Makeup. After I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead with my contour palette and I'm just gonna define my nose a little bit. I'm not doing anything crazy for this look. I'm just adding back some colors into my face. I'm just gonna line my lip as well and just add gloss, and that's it.
To see you're the honest I'll ever be. I'm so sorry I never stayed. Overreact and just walk away. Take me back to the place I know.
So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. And for this bomb ass wig, I did purchase this wig in a beauty supply store in my neighborhood. But I'll definitely try to find the wig online and I'll list that in the description box for you guys. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And also remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much. See you next time. Bye.